Okay guys, welcome to part 4. I've already fletched a couple of arrows because I wanted to test this glue out. My dad used to use it years ago. This same type of glue. It's a slower glue, but it's a lot cleaner. This is amazing glue. I have no complaints about this one. This is what Black Eagle sells. It's not bad. I have had some issues, but I'm not going to say if it's my fault or anybody else's, but it works. But this being bonding wrap and fletching, I'm going to go with their platinum glue. So right here, I'm doing a pink and black setup just to differentiate my arrows from the rest. My brother and my dad both shoot rampages. And I wanted something just a little bit brighter on these targets here, such as this one. Just something that would kind of stand out just a little bit more. The pink you can kind of see. And if you accidentally miss a shot, it'll help you to find your arrows. So I ordered these here off of Amazon. I couldn't tell you the price, but there's 100 of these and I think 36 of these. So right now, with this glue, it requires a 5-minute clamp time. So this one here has been in here for about 10 minutes. The longer, the better. I mean, I'm in no hurry tonight, so gently pull it off. And what I like to do, I get it right there where it's parallel, and I'll go ahead and just put a little dot right there, and then make sure to put our glue back up. So there we go. Then I always take and just kind of clean off my jig. And we're going to put, now, depending on where you want to set it up at, I'm using the number 3 line right here. Making sure I don't touch this face to get any kind of oils on it from my hands. I really need the actual cleaning solvent from bonding, but I don't have it. I missed that step, and that's my fault. So if I have any kind of issues, most likely it'll be from that. So I'm just going to wipe off any kind of contaminants. Now, I've already wiped this off with a little bit of acetone, a little bit, let it dry. And let's go ahead and lay a bead down on this. You don't have to squeeze on this any. If you just squeeze just a little bit in the beginning, it'll give you a nice, consistent dispense right here. And if you feel like you've got a lot, which we can simulate that, we can put a little heavy on there. We can just gently dab it on our rag, and that'll help spread the glue. Remember, less is more, really. So we got a good even coat, and let's make sure that we're at our click mark. So right there, we just clicked on the Bitzenburger Jig. We're doing a 4-fletch setup here, and we've got full contact and just slight pressure. Now we do have a little bit of glue oozing out right there. I should have dabbed it a little bit harder, but you can take your Q-tips and just kind of clean that up. And then once we pull the arrow, we'll clean the other side. But yeah, that's some really good glue, and it really burns into the fletching. As you can see, it pulls the color off of them. I mean, it really does it. So I'll let you guys see what this one right here looks like when we pull it out of the jig. All right, so that one right there turned out really nice. I did put dots on the tops and the bottoms. That helps with pass-throughs on targets. Here's the other one that I've done, and it's been cured for about 2 hours, but it does require a 48-hour setup time, which is completely fine by me. If it'll focus. So I'm going to fletch a couple of more. And I'll do one step by step and let you guys see how I do it. So, let's go. All right, so it's the next day, and we have let our veins cure all night, and I want to let them sit out here in the sunlight too. It requires, it specifies 48 hours to dry, but man, these turned out very, very nice. And if this video series helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll put a list in the comments of all of the materials that we used to build these arrows. So yeah, you guys have a great day. God bless, and make sure to like and subscribe.